In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove background instantly using CapCut AI. You can see the main video and the background video. Open CapCut. Click on the new project. Click import. Upload your videos. Now put your video in the timeline. Click on remove BG. Click on the auto removal check mark box. Wait for a while. You can see that the background has been removed. Put the background video in the timeline. Keep the main video upper and the background video down. Now click on export. Thanks for watching the video.